Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI Creators Path. I'm your host, John.
And I'm Lyra. It's great to be here. John, it feels like we can't go a day without hearing about generative AI, like ChatGPT. It's writing emails, creating art. It's truly incredible.
It really is. It's a master of the digital world. But today, Lyra, I want to talk about what happens when AI takes the next step out from behind the screen and into our physical world.
Out of the screen? What do you mean, like a hologram?
Even more tangible than that. I'm talking about physical AI. Have you come across that term?
Physical AI. It sounds muscular. Are we talking about an AI that hits the gym?
You're not far off, actually. It's all about giving AI a physique, a body to interact with the world.
Okay.
And today, we're going to explore what makes it so profoundly different from generative AI we've all gotten used to.
Okay, I'm hooked. Let's dive in.
Great. So here's an analogy I like. If generative AI is a brilliant scholar locked away in a library, reading every book and
Yeah.
becoming an expert on every topic,
Right, a master of knowledge.
then physical AI is an active inventor in a workshop. It takes that knowledge and uses its hands to build, test, and interact with real-world objects. It doesn't just know things, it does things.
Ah, I see. So it's the difference between knowing the theory of how to bake a cake and actually being in the kitchen,
Right.
measuring the flour and putting it in the oven?
That's a perfect way to put it. And this is a huge leap from traditional factory robots, which just repeat one programmed motion endlessly.
Yeah, like an assembly line.
A physical AI system can actually sense, think, and act dynamically.
What does that look like in practice?
Well, imagine a robot arm tasked with packing groceries. Its camera, its eyes, senses a tomato. The AI brain thinks, okay, that's a tomato, it's soft, easily bruised. Then it acts by telling the robotic hand to use a very gentle, precise grip to pick it up without crushing it.
Wow.
It does all of that on its own.
Wow, that's a level of finesse I didn't think robots had. So is the body the only thing that separates it from generative AI?
That's the most obvious difference, but the truly game-changing, the decisive difference lies in how it learns.
How so? How does its learning process differ?
Well, like we said, a generative AI learns by consuming the internet, trillions of words and images.
Right.
Its expertise is in language, in abstract concepts. Its textbook is the digital world.
Right. It's learning from human-created content.
Exactly, but a physical AI's primary textbook is, well, dramatically, the universe itself. Its subject is physics.
Physics? How on earth does an AI learn physics? It can't exactly read a book about gravity and just...
That's the million-dollar question, and the answer is incredible. It uses a technology called a digital twin. Think of it as creating an ultra-realistic video game version of a real place.
Okay.
A perfect physics-based playground. In the simulation, the AI can control a real robot and practice a task, say, picking up that tomato, not just 1,000 times, but millions of times.
Millions?
Wow. It will fail over and over, crushing the virtual tomato, dropping it, bumping into things, and through each failure, it learns.
It's learning from mistakes without any real-world cost, so it can gain decades of experience in a single night.
Precisely, and this method, often using a technique called reinforcement learning, is the fundamental difference. Generative AI is trained on static data to learn knowledge. Physical AI is trained in dynamic simulations to learn physical skill.
That distinction is so important. One is a know-it-all, the other is a do-it-all. So is this amazing technology already out there in the wild?
It absolutely is. In Amazon's massive fulfillment centers, over 1 million robotic systems are already working. They're not just dumb carts, they are autonomous mobile robots and sophisticated arms that work alongside human employees.
Okay.
In boosting the efficiency of some processes by a staggering 25%.
25%? For a company that size, that's astronomical. That must be a huge help in industries struggling with labor shortages.
It's a game changer, and it's not just warehouse logistics. Have you heard about Tesla's Optimus robot?
The humanoid one? I've seen videos. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie.
It does, but its purpose is very real. It's being trained in simulations to perform complex assembly tasks inside Tesla factories, jobs that require a level of dexterity that was impossible to automate until now.
Yeah.
They're even researching how it can learn the knack of a skilled human worker.
The knack? You mean those subtle, intuitive skills that someone develops over years that they can't even explain in words?
Exactly, the ability to feel when a part fits just right. By observing humans and practicing in simulation, the AI aims to replicate that.
Wow.
This opens the door to automating tasks we never thought possible.
So if it can learn the knack of a factory worker, could it eventually learn the knack of a chef or a caregiver?
That is exactly where this is headed. Generative AI revolutionized our intellectual and creative tasks.
Right.
Physical AI is poised to revolutionize our physical tasks, our industries, and ultimately our daily lives.
It's incredible. The future isn't just about getting smarter answers from a chatbot, it's about having capable, helpful partners in the physical world.
You've got it. So let's quickly recap for everyone. Physical AI is an intelligent system with a body that can sense, think, and act in the real world.
Right.
Its key decisive difference from generative AI is its ability to learn physical skills by practicing in hyperrealistic simulations.
Okay.
And finally, it's not a distant dream. It's already being deployed and is set to cause a second, even bigger AI revolution.
That was a fantastic breakdown. It really puts the whole AI landscape into perspective.
I'm glad. It's a topic that's only going to get bigger. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you could have one perfectly skilled physical AI robot to take over a single task in your daily life,
Ooh.
freeing you up completely, what task would you give it?
Oh, that's a tough one. The endless laundry, cooking healthy meals every day, or maybe just always finding my lost keys.
That last one might be the most useful. Think about your answer and feel free to share it with us. That's all the time we have for today on AI Creators Path.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time.